How to fix Snapchat notifications. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Snapchat notifications. If it's not showing or if it's not getting displayed in the top of your screen or you're not getting any notifications when you're no longer using Snapchat. So I'm going to help you to fix this problem. So first, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device. And you're also logged in with your specific account. After that, go ahead, open your settings on your system, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Then from here, simply search for Snapchat application. And once you find it, tap on permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app which is necessary. And also make sure that most importantly, the notifications is turned on. If not, you can toggle the switch and allow the notifications. And you can also choose the option to pop up allowed or not allowed or badge allowed or not allowed. And you can select either sound and vibration or silent according to your choice. Another thing you can do is you can open your Snapchat, go to settings, then tap on notifications, which you will find below partner connections. And make sure that you have checked the option of Bitmojis in notification. Turn this toggle on, and now when you get a snap or a message, your friend's Bitmoji will appear in the notification. And you can also adjust settings for mentions, trending content, and other notification options here. Let us know if this helped and feel free to ask any questions below. So this was all about it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.